Today I'm going to make a great chicken casserole. It's one of my family's favorites, and it's been a favorite for so many decades. I got this recipe out of an old magazine back in the 70s, and I have made it over and over and over again. It's chicken, some spices, a little stuffing. It's all going to come together in one pan. Let's get into it. Stuffing casserole by preparing our stuffing to the package instructions on the stovetop box. I'm adding some broth, some butter. I'm adding the contents packages. I'm going to bring it to a boil, make it real hot, then I'm going to throw a lid on it and set it aside. Meanwhile, I'm going to grease a 9x13 pan and start to place my chicken into the pan. And I chose to bone-in chicken this time around. I'm going to season it with some salt, some pepper, and then some paprika and some garlic powder. Next up, we're going to take a mixing bowl and add a can of cream of chicken soup into that mixing bowl, some chicken broth, and we're going to stir that up and mix it till it is combined very well. And then I'm going to take my stuffing and place it right on top of the chicken in the 9x13 pan. And you can see I'm trying to get it kind of even as possible across the 9x13 pan on top of the seasoned chicken. I'm going to come in with that soup mixture and we're going to drape that right over the top of the stuffing. Looks delicious. And then we're going to cover it with tin foil. We're going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 75 minutes. There we go. We're going to tuck her in the oven there. Now I have a recipe card for this great video recipe that we're doing today, the chicken and stuffing casserole. So you can take a screenshot with your phone or your device, and now you'll be able to have this chicken and stuffing casserole recipe in your personal archives there. And hey, listen, if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, if you could hit that like and subscribe button, that would be super great. Now let's get this casserole out of the oven and let's give it a taste. Ooh, look here. Our chicken stuffing casserole is done and it looks delicious. Smells, the whole house smells super, super good. And so I've got all kinds of pieces of chicken in here, the stuffing on top, and then I've got this nice liquid on the side right here is like the gravy. So it's really, really looking fine. So let's pull a piece up here. Oh yeah, look at that, folks. I mean, it is so good. Yum. Let's get the yum meter out. Gonna get some more of that stuffing that was sitting on side. And now I'm going to dig in here and get some of this gravy on the bottom. There we go. And I'm going to put it right up over top of the chicken there. Drizzle on top. We're going to take a bite out of this. That skin looks so good, full of seasons. Oh yeah, look at that. So nice and juicy. So I want to get some chicken. I want to get some of this stuffing. I want to get some of this gravy. Oh, and I've got a friend here. Look at here. You want some chicken too, don't you? Huh? Let's take a taste. Oh, that's perfect. It's so, so perfect. So this is an oldie. This is an oldie but a goodie. This one was found in an old magazine. And it is a family favorite here. And what's so good about some of these older recipes, they've been just around for years, right? And they're just so good. Whenever I make this and eat this, it always sends me a rush of memories from way back, which is, even the house smells like it smelled way back when we make this. So definitely a 10 out of 10. Get that chicken, get the stuffing, and let's get putting this casserole together for sure. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.